Hi, I'm Doug Gardner, and thank you for joining me today. I've got a quick tip for those of you that are new to video, something that may save you a little bit of aggravation when you're out in the field. Being successful when you're out in the field with a video camera has a lot to do with being comfortable. If your body is not in a comfortable position, every movement you make with the video camera is going to be awkward and it's not going to feel natural. So what I always do, my home place where I always set my body up is 45 degrees off the back corner of the camera. So basically this back left corner of the camera I want pointed directly at the center of my chest. The reason for that is if I have an animal that's moving right or left out in front of me and I need to pan right and left, I want it to be fluid and without any interruption. So if I have the camera started at a 45 degrees off of my body, then if it's moving to the left, I can easily pan to the left and I have a long way that I can stay with it before it gets out of my frame. And the same goes to the right over here. Conversely, if I was directly behind the camera, like I see a lot of people doing first starting out, yes, you can pan a good ways to the left because I'm right-handed, but if it comes to the right, my hand is already binding up with my belly and the handle of the tripod. So this is about as far as I can go comfortably. At this point, all of my movements are going to get jittery and not very smooth. So hope this helps you. If you want more videos like this, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. That way we can get out and provide more content that you're asking for. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.